Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a product bundle in a WooCommerce website. Let me show you an example of the product bundle. Here, I'm on the demo WooCommerce website and I have this product here. The price of this product is around $20.99 and I have created a product bundle here. You can see that there is a product bundle which includes this original product and there are two more products at a discounted price. So if the customer is going to buy this product bundle, they will get other two products at a discount of 15% each. So this is going to be a product bundle. So instead of selling only one product, you can offer a bundle of products which customer can select. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can create mix and match product bundles, which is slightly different than this product bundle. Here, you are going to create a fixed product in a bundle. However, in mix and match product bundles, customer will be able to select different products to create a bundle. So that is going to be a customized product bundle. If you want to watch that video, I'll give you the link in the description box. To create product bundles in WooCommerce, I'm going to use WowRevenue plugin. This plugin has free as well as premium version. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can install and use the WowRevenue plugin. What are the features in this plugin? It is not only for creating product bundles. You can create different types of campaigns using a WowRevenue plugin. Here you can see that you can create normal discount, bundle discount, volume or quantity discount, buy one get one, product mix and match, frequently bought together, double order plus, and many other campaigns which will be added to the WowRevenue plugin in future. So it is a combination of multiple premium plugins. So instead of installing multiple premium plugins, you can use a single plugin of WowRevenue. And the pricing of this plugin is only $209 for a single website, and that is for the lifetime. It is not a yearly pricing. Once you buy this plugin, you will be able to use this plugin on your website for lifetime. You will also get lifetime update and support, and there is a 14 days money back guarantee also. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. Now let's see how we can create product bundles in a WooCommerce website using a WowRevenue plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website and we are going to create product bundles in a WooCommerce website. I have already installed and activated the WowRevenue plugin. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how to create mix and match product bundles in a WooCommerce website using a WowRevenue plugin. If you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. To create product bundles, we need to create a campaign. So when you install the plugin, in the left-hand panel, you will see WowRevenue. If you click on it, it will go to the dashboard. At the top, you will see the option Create Campaign. Click on it. And there are different types of campaigns available in this plugin. To create product bundle, we need to select bundle discount. So this is the campaign that we need to use. So click on Create the Campaign under bundle discount. At the top, you will see the option to name the campaign. So I'm going to name the campaign. Let's say product bundle. Here you will see pages where you want to show this campaign. You can select the product page or you can click on plus sign. You can show this campaign on cart page, checkout page, or thank you page. You can also use the shortcode to display this campaign on any page of your website. In this case, I'm going to select the product page. So this campaign will be shown on the product page. Below that, we have page status, which is currently enabled. Below that, we have display style. There are three different types of display styles. First one is in page, which will be shown on the product page. The other one is pop-up. So it will open a pop-up on the product page, and the third option is floating. So it is going to show the floating window on the product page. As of now, we are going to set it in page. Below that, we have in page position. Where do you want to show on the page? If I select pop-up, you will see different settings for the pop-up, and for the floating, you will see different settings. So let's select in page and select the position before add to cart, after add to cart, after single product summary, before single product, and after single product. So I'm going to select after add to cart button. So this campaign will be shown after the add to cart button on the product page. Then we have campaign trigger products. So we need to select the trigger product where you want to show this campaign. So if I click on the drop down box, you will see different options, all products, specific products, or specific category. If you select all products, this campaign will be shown on all the products. I'm going to select specific products and click on search the product. So you can enter the name of the product and it will show that product in the list. I'm going to select this one. So on this product page, it will show the campaign. Click on save and continue. Here you will see bundle with trigger product. So it is going to create a bundle using the trigger product. So the trigger product will also be added in the bundle. Below that we have products to offer, manual or automatic. Currently we have only one option, that is manual. So you can select the products manually. Click on the plus sign here and select the products which will be added in the bundle. So I'm going to select this one and let's say this one. So we are going to create a bundle of 3 products. Click on save and continue. Minimum quantity, let's say 1, and discount will be 15%. If you click on drop down, you will see fixed discount, no discount or free. I'm going to select percentage discount. So it will offer 15% discount. If you want, you can also create another product offer. Click on add new offer, search for the product. I'm going to select this one and let's select this one also, and product discount will be 20%, let's say. Okay, so you will see 2 different bundles are there, 15% discount, 15%. This is for the 20% discount and 20% discount. So if you want multiple offers, you can create multiple offers. I'm going to create only one, so I'm going to delete the second one. Here you will see option to add campaign title. So I'm going to add the campaign title, let's say product bundles. You can name it whatever you want to name. This is the subheading. Free shipping, if you want to offer free shipping, you can offer the free shipping. You will see the free shipping message here, and this is the title and the subheading. Then we have countdown timer. If you want to add countdown timer, you can also add countdown timer so that it will create an urgency. Start the countdown timer right now, or you can schedule to start later. I'm going to set the end time, let's say 18th and 12 AM. So it is going to start the countdown timer here. Next to that, we have animated add to cart. Let's enable it. And you will see different animation styles. Let's select shake. So on hover, it is going to shake the button, or you can use the loop. So it will continuously shake the button. So I'm going to select on hover and let's make it zoom. So this is the zoom animation. So you can select the animation according to your requirement. Below that, we have schedule settings. If you want to schedule this campaign for a specific time period, you can set up the start and end date and time. I'm going to set up end date and time. So let's say this campaign will end on 20th and 12 AM. So this campaign will not show on the product page after the end date and time. So we have scheduled this campaign for a specific date and time. To that, we have additional settings. Skip add to cart. Enable this to take the user directly to the checkout page. This one is enable quantity selector. So if I enable, you will see the quantity selector here. If the offer products are already in the cart or order, you can hide the campaign, do nothing, or hide the product. That means if the customer has already added the offer product in the cart, then this campaign will not be shown on the product page. If you want to customize this layout, you can also click on it. Let's say I want to customize this button. I can simply click on this button and you will see the settings for this button. I can change the color. This is the border color. If I go to background, I can change the background color like this. So all the customization options are there. For this text, you can change the size, the color. All right, so you can see that we can easily customize the layout of the product bundles, which will be displayed on the product page. You will see the settings for the entire section also. You can change the background color like this. Let's go to publish and click on save. So now this campaign is live. Let's go to the shop page and we have selected this product here, trigger product. Right, so this is the trigger product. So let's go to that product page. This is the product page. Click on it and you will see the product bundle is added on the product page. This is the title, then subheading, free shipping. This is the countdown timer, and in the product bundle we have added this original product and 2 more products are there, and combined pricing of this product is $64, which is at discounted price. Here you will see quantity selector. Let's make it 2 and it is going to double the quantity. This is the original product and 2 more products are added at 15% discount. So the product discount will be added for these 2 additional products and combined discount is around 10.63%. So this is how you can create product bundles using a WowRevenue plugin. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.